If you're looking for a healthy, quick, easy, and absolutely delicious appetizer or snack, then friends, I promise you, you will not want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I absolutely love caprese salad or just some tomato with basil and mozzarella with some balsamic glaze on it. One of my favorites, one of our favorites, my husband too. We will often in the summertime, when I'm off work, I'll make it for lunch and him and I will just split it and have it for lunch. It's just absolutely delicious. Well, I was on the internet just kind of scrolling on Pinterest, and I saw a ton of recipes where instead of using tomato, they used watermelon. And I thought, oh, that sounds so good. I never was a watermelon person until I put salt on it. Once I put salt on it, and then it was like game changer for me. And I thought, you know what? This is one that I am going to try because it just absolutely sounds delicious. So I'm going to make that today with you all. So let me stop talking. We'll go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. All right, my friends. So we're going to start here. I have some watermelon. I just sliced mine. I cut it in half and then quarters. And then I just, sliced it down and then just cut across the bottom, and I got triangular shapes. You can do stars if you want. You can do squares if you want. Totally up to you what you want to do. I just did mine this way. I have some fresh basil, olive oil, balsamic glaze, sea salt, black peppercorns, and fresh mozzarella. And friends, it's that simple. Yep, that's all it is. Friends, as you saw, not a lot of ingredients, very little ingredients, and this is going to be so simple to put together. So come on, let's go. All right, my friends, so I have just a little cutting board here that I like to lay mine out on. I always do this when I make my regular caprese. This fresh mozzarella I get from Costco. It's a 2-pack. We use this a lot when we do paninis. So I had some left over. I'm just going to open that up. And then we're going to take out a couple pieces. So we're going to start by layering just one here. And then I'm going to take my watermelon. As you see, this is how I cut mine. It's just triangles. You can do squares. You can use stars and cut out and do something for 4th of July. And then we're just going to layer it just like that. Okay. I know, this is crazy, isn't it? Crazy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to have this for lunch. Look at that. Oh. I do that all the time. I don't know why. I think one more. Just like that. Can you see how fast this is coming together, friends? So simple, and you can do as much as you want. You could even cut it up, chop it up, get the little mozzarella balls and make a salad if you wanted to. I mean, any version would work perfectly. All right, my friends, now I'm going to go ahead and take my kosher salt. Salt is important on this watermelon for me. Just sprinkle it right on there, just like that. Then we're going to take some black pepper. I like to use the grinder for this. Just my hands are wet. Having a hard time. Okay. And then we're going to take, I took a couple basil leaves, rolled them up, and just sliced it long sideways. And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit on here. You can actually take bay leaves if you want, the whole ones, and put it in between if you'd like. I like it this way just because it's not as overpowering. And then we're going to take our olive oil. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil up and down. Then we have our balsamic glaze. I got this at Food Lion. I believe most grocery stores carry it. And then we're going to do a the same. Look at that, friends. That is it. That's it. Look, gorgeous. Now let's do a taste test. All right, my friends, here we go. I'm just gonna try it right off of the board. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Mmm. It's interesting because you don't even realize you're eating watermelon. You don't even know you're eating watermelon. It's juicier. It's delicious. Absolutely delicious. Just a little twist to the regular, wow, it's, I want to say it's more refreshing, if that makes any sense. I like it. It's way more refreshing. I love it. I love, love, love it. So friends, that'll do it for today. That was a quick, easy recipe that I think many of you might enjoy. So I really appreciate you joining me. Please don't forget to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. Also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.